Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. Guys, we're going to get straight into it. For this project, I'm going to use this large square vase, one square beveled edge 5-inch mirror. This is beautiful, guys. I love that mirror. I'm going to be using some glass crystal chandelier pieces. I'm going to be using a doorknob. I'm going to be using this double-sided sticky tape. I'm going to use this in place of glue or hot glue or permanent adhesive. I'm going to show you how well this is going to hold the project together. I'll be using my pliers and all my tools that you see there. I'll also be using, this is just a piece of a non-stick mat, and I'll be using my hot glue gun. So to begin, I'm going to start by just taking the chandelier pieces apart. When I order mine, guys, this is how they come. They come 3 pieces together, 2 small round pieces, and then the teardrop shape. And the wire that's holding them together, it's soft, so you can bend this with your fingers if you want, but I like to use my pliers, and this is how easy it is to separate them. So guys, if you're watching, please take the time to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell. So in this jar, guys, is where I keep all the teardrop shaped chandelier pieces. So I'm going to take a few out. I'm going to clean them off. I'm going to clean off about 6 of them. So this is this double-sided sticky tape. So I'm going to show you how sticky this is, guys. And I use this in place of the hot glue, but this works really, really well, guys. And you can also, in some cases, substitute this for your permanent adhesive. And you can see, look how sticky that is. That won't come off until I really just like peel it off my finger. If you're making a project, guys, for sale, I do recommend that you use a permanent adhesive. I'm just going to demonstrate the use of the tape for this project. And here's the crystal chandelier piece. I'm going to be using about half of the crystal. I'm just going to take the chandelier piece and place it directly onto the tape, and then just cut away the parts that I don't need. So just the way you see me doing it now is the way I'm going to apply the tape. So I'm not even touching the tape, as you can see. I just place it on there, just peel it back from the rest of the roll, cut away any tape that's hanging over the edge of the crystal piece. This is very, very easy to use this way. Just make sure when you cut your red tape away that it's not too short. Just make sure it's longer than the sticky tape. Okay, so here's our beveled edge mirror, guys. I'm going to leave the feet at the bottom of it. I'm not going to remove those. That's going to help the mirror stay on the vase and not slide off. The mirror is nice and thick, so it will not be applying any base to it. I want the project to look sleek and clean. So right now I'm just taking the pieces that I applied the tape to, and I'm applying it directly to the mirror. I love it. There's no dry down time or anything. Once you apply it, it's stuck. So right here I'm showing you the little hole. That's where the chain was. I'm going to be using some small nail gems just to cover those holes, just to give it a little extra glam, guys. And I'm going to be using my Aleene's The Ultimate, and I'm also going to be using my gem picker as well. And I'm just going to apply a tiny amount of that permanent adhesive to the area where the hole is, and then I'm going to apply the gems on top. Now I know you really can't see as I do it, so I'm going to insert just a little video so that you can see what it's going to look like. So right now I'm going to apply the doorknob. I'm going to use a little bit of adhesive. I did switch the doorknob out, guys. At the end of the project you'll see I'm going to use another one. But anyway, this part of the project is finished. So we're going to move to the vase. This large square vase I picked up from my discount store. So I've already applied the tape to the gems, and I'm just going to decorate the vase. And I'm just going to get some close-ups just to show you how crystal clear the tape is through the gems. And you can see me pressing and holding it into place so that the tape can stick to the glass as well as the gems. And as you can see, guys, this is not going to fall apart. Once that tape is on there, it's stuck. So right now I'm just going to clean it off, guys, and I'm going to do the same thing to this that I did to the top. I'm just going to use some of my glue and just apply those tiny crystal nail gems to the top, just to cover the hole. So guys, you let me know what you think in the comment section below, but I really do love the simplicity of this project. It's absolutely beautiful, not overdone. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell. Alright guys, so you stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed, and I will see you at the next video. Bye bye.